So what I have here is new spicy chicken McNuggets. Kind of hard to see though. These are just some fries. I'd like to try one. Crazy. Anyways, what these are is basically these spicy chicken McNuggets are for a limited time at McDonald's. Today, in this video, I'm gonna try them. So yeah, we're gonna see what these guys have in store. Before we do, make sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new, ring the notification bell to be covered for part of the notification squad. But out of the way, let's get trying into it. Okay, this is gonna be good. All right, challenge starts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Oh my God! Oh fuck! Ah fuck! Oh fuck! Oh, it's not hot. Hot stuff. Oh, I tell you what. My mouth is so bad. Oh, frick. This is bad to start. Oh, frick. It's like picking hot wings. Yeah. Oh, my mouth is so bad right now. My mouth hurts so bad right now. Continue the music, please. Continue to. Oh, here. Oh wait, I had to do it. Oh fuck! Ow! Ah, my mouth. My mouth. Oh. Ow! Oh. Oh shit! Stop! Oh shit! Ouch! Need a Coke. This is not looking out. Okay, it's getting hotter. Jesus Christ. I want to start to make spicy food spicier. That's what they said. Television said. Oh God, my mouth is warming up. So yeah, that's a challenge. I guess I need to stop. The total number I ate was not good. Oh, I need. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment if you haven't seen this yet. If you're new to the channel. Oh, my mouth is so bad. Oh, yeah.